Which monster's voice? First challenge. Which monster is it? Nice, Giraffe. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Vampire King. Please subscribe, then keep watching.
3! Nope. Still didn't make it.
Which monster's behind this voice? Good job, Hoppy Hopscotch.
3! Nope. Still didn't make it. Listen, this won't stop until we make it to the moon. 1, 2... Oh no! Don't look at your feet! Look at matters!
Who dances better? What would you rather? Leave a comment to let me know your opinion. Spot 3 hidden characters. Nice, here they are. Challenge number 3. What is the answer? Green frog, exactly. How about this one? Just 10 seconds for the answer. Easy, Dogday. Tell me, which monster is it? You're amazing, Monster Dogday.
What is it? Oh no! Oh no! Leave me! Please! Just go!
Next. Who can be? Amazing, Monster Elephant. Are you ready?
My name is the Cold.
I assume...
You can. Good job, the prototype.
My name is the Cold.
I assume you know me.
Which one's your favorite? Tell me your opinion in the comments. Spot the odd one out. Bravo, here it is. Guess by emoji. Who can be? Exactly, Zookeeper. Next one. Just genius can answer. Really? Nightmare Catnap. Spot 3 differences. Come on. Good, here they are. Next challenge. Which monster is this? It is watermelon.
I'm crazy about you. I'm lost without you.
Come on, the timer is ending. Yes, Bobby Bearhug.
I'm crazy about you. I'm lost without you. I've been lost a long time. Please, take me with you this time. You won't leave me, will you?
You should solve the math problem. It is the answer. Next quiz. Guess by the voice and emoji. It was easy, not? You should save just one of them. I'm waiting for your comments. Can you guess?
Catnap!
It's easy, come on. Yes, Catnap.
Catnap!
Your mission is spotting the hidden items. How many could you find? Let's go for the next challenge. It is Smile Cat. Number 14. Who can be behind this voice? Bubbaphant. Which one is correct? Correct. C. Challenge number 15. It is Monster Fox. Which one do you prefer? You can also tell me your opinion. Last.
You're hiding more red from me. I know you are.
Yes, for sure.
You're hiding more red from me. I know you are. Give it here!
Can you answer this different challenge?